welcome to an unboxing video. You guys see right here the beast itself, the PlayStation 5. I don't think I've ever been much happier in my life to make an unboxing video, guys. Before we do get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell as well, man. This is the second one that we got. We do got another one on the way, coming very soon as well. So you know what I'm saying, we might be having a giveaway on the channel or something like that. Make sure you guys stay tuned very soon. So you guys see it right here, the beast itself, PlayStation 5. Like I said, I've never been happy to make a video. Make sure you guys check the clan page, team page as well. Team Hoop Culture is down below in the description. A lot of talented YouTubers are in the team, so make sure you guys check it out. But let's get right into it. I just want to get into it, just unbox this beast and just go ahead and just start setting it up, honestly, guys. So let's get right into it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, guys. We're trying to hit 40,000, man. We're trying to hit 40K, and so help us out. But let's go ahead and look at the box first. I forgot all about the box. So first, you guys can see right here, PS5 has the console itself, the controller itself. On the side, it just has the PlayStation 5 logo. On the back, it says play like never before, and this is lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. This thing is heavy, man. This thing is really heavy. I know I was watching a lot of reviews and they said it was heavy, but this thing's really heavy. So you guys see the console right here and the controller right here on the side, and then I think we already showed this side. And then on the back right here, well, on the handle, it's just the handle, PlayStation logo, and it's blue. And at the bottom, your regular, just your serial number and all that good stuff right there. But like I said, this thing is heavy, honestly. And you know what I'm saying, you guys see right here, 8K, 4K, HDR. I just want to go ahead and see how this thing looks. I'm so excited, honestly, to do this video, and I'm very blessed to be able to you know, just have this in my hands. I know how blessed I am to be able to, and a lot of you guys still trying. Keep trying. Sony's gonna have another release. Keep trying. Target, Walmart, I know like how hard the websites are, but hey, keep trying. You guys will eventually get it, you know what I'm saying? So first things first, we open it right here. Nothing special, you know, nothing right there. We're gonna pull out the actual console itself. So we're gonna let this fall off to the side, and I'm hoping to get this, yeah. So right there we get it sliding off right there in the cover. Put this cover to the side real quick. Put this right over here. All right here you guys see PS5. No, right here it says the PS5, has the PlayStation logo. It doesn't even say PS5. Everything else around this is white. Nothing special about it. We're gonna go ahead and then open this bad boy up. You know, we take this up, and then it even gives you instructions on how to open the box. So some of these boxes could be very tricky, and I'm gonna take a look at how to open this box. So it says pop this. You know, it says it should be laying flat. So I'm gonna lay it flat like this as best as I can, because this thing is heavy. I'm gonna slide this first panel out, and this is probably our accessories. So let's go ahead and look at our accessories first before we do get started on the console. So let me just gently put this down. That thing is heavy. You can barely hold it in one hand. So right here are probably our accessories. Nothing special about this box. It's a regular white box. Go ahead and pop this thing open, and we what do we see? We see a manual. Let's go ahead and pull all this stuff out. So we have a manual that probably nobody reads. Honestly, nobody reads. Probably warranty, user guidelines, quick start, how to start it up. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to start up a console. So we're gonna put that to the side right over here on the PlayStation 4. What is this? Guide, safety guide right here. You know, so you guys can be safe with the console. And then what do we have here? We're gonna pull this out right over here on this side. Right here we have, it looks like it's the base and the HDMI cable. Now, on my Xbox X video review, I stated how Xbox really has really great HDMI cables, and I'm seeing that Sony has now upgraded. Like, these are high quality HDMI cables. The ones that used to come with the PS4 were high quality, but they weren't as thick as these. Like, these are the type that come with the Xbox X as well. Like, you know, just these thick ones with the square rectangles right here on the tips. And yeah, real good HDMI cables. Shout out to Sony for that. Real good. That's something that I complained about on my Xbox X review, that, you know, Microsoft did better, but I see that Sony has upgraded their HDMI cables. Right here is our base. I don't even know how to put this base on, but this is something we will need. Yeah, so right here is our base for the PS5, and we'll see how to put this thing on in a bit. We might actually need the you know, the little starter manual thing for once. So you see right here we have the power cable right here, regular tip on that right there. Our power you know, outlet to the wall, nothing special about that. And finally we have our controller. Now I did a controller unboxing video, make sure you guys check that out if you guys haven't. And this thing is just an absolute beast. I just hate how big it feels in my hands, but it's something we'll have to get used to it. But make sure you guys check out the video on that, because you know, we went ahead and did a video. We have 2 of these, and you know, 2 of these bad boys. I might be giving this one away, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because I'm probably gonna be giving this one away. I don't need 2 for right now, I just need 1. But you know, we did the unboxing on this, and we did the review on the controller, so make sure you guys check it out. And I just love this controller. I just love how it looks, and you know, when you turn it on, the lights on it, I love it. I just love how this thing looks. Absolute beautiful. It's just really big, but it's something we'll get used to, you know, as it goes. I love how the handles feel though. I do love how the handles feel. It just feels really big in my hand. So we're gonna put this to the side over here, and the main thing that I want to go ahead and look at, guys, you guys already know, is the beast itself, the console itself, the, you know, router, whatever you guys want to call it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing out from inside right here, and this thing is heavy. All right, nothing else left in this box. You guys can see in there. I don't know if the camera got that. And it comes really well packaged. You guys see that right there. Really well packaged inside of there. We're gonna put this to the side. Throw this to the side. We're making a mess, and this thing is heavy. Man, it is really heavy. Especially, like, it feels heavier from one side. Like right now I'm holding it, it feels heavier from the right side. I feel like this thing's going like this. But you know, let's go ahead and take this off. No tape on this, which is surprising. You know, usually they have tape. And then the first thing we're gonna see, guys, is the bottom of the console itself. And let's go ahead and just look at this bad boy finally on hand. So, you know, the bottom of the base right here, I don't know how the base connects. We gotta figure that out. We're gonna figure that out just in a little. We have our dish tray right over here. Do we have a power button? Yeah, power button, and our insert disc and stuff buttons right here. Feel really good. I like how the way they feel. And then this is the part that lights up. We're gonna go ahead and plug it up here in a little. You guys can see right here, just the main part right here. This part, this glass looks like it's probably gonna get really dirty and scratch easily. Like mine's already scratched right there, coming from factory. Like I haven't opened it or nothing. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but it's already scratched right there. No big deal, you know what I'm saying? It's a little scratch, but you know, I just feel like this whole part right here, this black glossy part, is gonna get scratched very easy if you guys aren't paying attention to it. And the main thing I want to point out about this console is this thing is heavy. So we have our LAN cable, 2 USB ports, 1 HDMI, and our power port right there. And then our other side right here with the logo is right here, the main side with the PlayStation logo. I love how the PlayStation logo looks. And if you guys want to see it like this, standing up, and this is from the bottom, yeah, this is from the base coming up. You guys can see this beast right here. And then also it says Sony right here, which I love that little addition to it. And then I didn't know, all inside here, if you guys can see, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, all inside it is little PlayStation symbols in there. So really cool, you know, really cool console. This thing is just absolutely heavy. I want to try to put it on this base. So let's try to figure this out real quick. I have no idea how this base goes on. Look at this manual real quick. Alright, so the clips go. Oh, so you can put it horizontal and vertical. So vertically, you gotta take as a screw. Oh, we'll figure out in just a bit how to put this thing on, because I really don't know how to put this damn base on. So we'll figure that out in just a bit. But man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. This thing is just heavy, and I'm probably gonna it's so huge. It's so huge compared to the PS4 that I'm probably gonna have to stand this thing up like this. I probably can't lay it down like this. I'm gonna have to stand it up like this because it's gonna take up way too much space laying down like this. So I'm really gonna have to just stand it up like this because this is gonna take too much space up, and it's probably not gonna fit on my desk, honestly. So, and I'm gonna try to figure that out, put it on this base. And this thing looks absolutely beautiful. I really want to just put it on the base just so you guys can see how it looks on here. But so it says place the console with the rear side facing up, remove the screw cap, attach the screw hole to the bottom of the cap, remove the screw from the bottom of the base. Oh, okay, I see. So starter, so you guys see right here, this is a screw cap right here. This is supposed to cut that, so it comes out. This comes out like this, very, very small. Now on the base, there is a screw hidden in here somehow. Somehow there's a screw hidden in here. I'm trying to figure out how they're moving it. I don't see no screw hidden in here. I'm trying to slide this, but it's not sliding. The space feels really cheap, by the way. It's not like sliding anywhere. I don't know where the damn screw is at. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I wanted to do it for the video, but I can't figure it out, so I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. I really wanted to put it on the base so you guys can see how it looks on the base, but I can't move this. It says attach the screw hole cap to the bottom of the base. Oh, hold on. You gotta put this here. You gotta put this little screw thing here. Maybe this. Yeah, so you put it in there, but nothing pops up. That's in there. This is not sliding out or anything. Remove the screw from the bottom of the base. I don't know. Either I'm very slow, but this isn't popping open. I'm not seeing no damn screw here. I must be blind. But that's gonna be it for this video. I wanted to do it for the video purposes, but I can't figure this out, so unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to. Oh, hold on. I feel slow. Sometimes I'm very slow, guys. So what? All you have to do is slide the base. I didn't know this base slid. Once you slide the base, the screw pops up out of nowhere. Now I feel really slow. I didn't know that, guys. So yeah, so you get this screw right over here, and it is a flathead screwdriver. And then you put, where do you put this? Attach the base. Alright, so we got that part. You know, we're trying to figure this out together. Remove the screw from the bottom of the base. Attach the base and secure with a screw. Use a coin or similar shaped item to tighten. So it looks like they're putting the. So I guess you take this back out. Then why did it tell us to put it in and then we're taking it back out? I don't understand that. So we take that back out. Put the screw in through here. So you can pop it up like this. And now this will go on this little hole at the bottom of the PS5. And then the front, so you want this part, the clips to clip onto the back of the console like so. And then once we are right here, now all we do is screw it in. Yeah, now all we do is screw it in. Okay, wonderful. This is the most difficult thing I've done. Nah, but so that's all you do. And then I just wanted to do this for video purposes. I wanted to show you guys how it looks with the base on. I really wanted to show you guys how it looks with the base on. I don't have no flathead, but this is how it looks with the base on, man. Before we do end the video, just want to quickly show you guys how this bad boy looks with the base on. Looks like that, and then I think it could no, you can't move it once it's clipped on there. This is how it looks. Nice beast. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. Appreciate the love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm so happy I got this. Appreciate it. God bless.